Hey guys, this is Betsy. Welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see, I had literally just before, I finished this 5 seconds ago. That's not a good angle. There. I did, in fact, if I turn this light off, hang up their chrysalises in the butterfly habitat, which they were in this pot here, which is so strange that the lid is now off. Look at all that food. It stinks, that food. I'm getting rid of that immediately. And I remove all the silk frass with a cotton bud, what you're supposed to do. And they are in it. They are on the side that the zip is, so that once they do hatch, if they are, so feeding would be more easy. Actually, it may not. I don't think it is. But this was the placement of, and this is where they chose where to hang. If you don't know where I got this from, the caterpillars, I got them from an insect or live butterfly garden. I actually did a refill because this one has been used before like 3 times. You can see the dirt in there. But it is washed and has no odours of the large butterflies. And the large butterflies are actually bred and lay, I got to saw butterflies mate inside. So hopefully that will happen again, because I kind of want to breed the butterflies. I don't know. It's probably going to happen. It's weird on this channel. So, you know what I said in the first video when I got them? That banana was going to have 2? Well, once I saw that this one, I couldn't cut 2 away and still have 3 and not endanger their lives. And they're too fragile. I don't want to kill them, so I left it there. Left them there in this one whole thing. So now, next video will just be them hatching. Oh, it's not hatching because they hatch from their eggs. They don't hatch. They emerge or eclose. Depends where you're from. But they emerge and or eclose. I say emerge. But so they emerge from the chrysalises as beautiful butterflies. For the one in the middle there. That one there, right in the middle. That one is going to do it in maybe tomorrow. It could be tomorrow or it could be in 3 days. It varies from 7 to 10 days. And today's the 6th day for that one. It is the 3rd day for one of them. And the rest all turned. So 2 days. So it's going to be 1 to 3 days for one of them. 2 to... So a couple days. I don't know when they'll hatch except for the middle one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update of just them being moved into this huge butterfly garden that actually has springs in it, so it pops up. You're supposed to use the chrysalis station to pop them up, but I have found that I have never used this one because this always breaks, and the lid always falls, and the chrysalis always let's just say break. They just break. So, and I'm going to be using this food for when it does happen and they hatch finally. Oh, I keep on saying hatch, I mean emerge and or close. As you can see, they did lots of wheeze all over the silk thing. One actually didn't attach itself to the silk. not silk, to the paper, it attached itself to the actual hard lid bit. Actually, 4 did except for 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys! They look so interesting. That one finally got off its shedding thing. They were so shaky when I moved them.